Yo, good morning, Knight Williams in the building. It is another day, another dollar to be made, or in this case, more work to be done on this house. So, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this has been an amazing experience, but man, it's like a job. You see, I got my bag and everything. I got my parts. Oh, almost dropped the phone. Got my parts. Got my Simply Wiring book. I've been doing a lot. But yeah, like I was saying, this house has been flipped pretty dang good in the course of 3.5 weeks, going on week 4. And maybe like 2 more weeks before we officially move into the house. I done removed toilets. I done took it apart, old, nasty vanities. I done knocked out walls. I mean, you've seen these things. And now we're finally getting to a point that things are coming together. The fans are up. About to finish all of the toilets probably today. And we're gonna paint this shiplap wall and then put up these LED mirrors because I'm ready for this place to look like it's time for us to move in. Now, side A is ready for rent, as is. But I'm gonna put a little bit more TLC into that and make sure we get the top amount of rent that we can get from this property. But anyways, enjoy the show. Let's get to work. Damn. Tell him.
Okay, y'all. So, the plumbers that put in this heater, there was like a group of them in here, and when I was in here by myself, they were talking about, oh, you need to keep the washer and dryers. Don't go for the combo unit. Those are worthless, blah, blah, blah. But as you can see, this is what they were telling me that we should keep. Saying that these are better than the new machines, that these are more efficient. But cameraman, look, let's get a close up on these. And look at all the crap that was on the floor.
Do y'all want to know why this crap was on the floor? Because when I took it out of the washroom to change these water lines over here, this wasn't even, this vent was connected here, but it was not connected to the outside vent. This ugly hole that they have right here. Who does that?
Who does that?
But all I can say is, y'all, when it comes to purchasing homes, if it's not a brand new stick built, it is important, let me step away. It is important that you go through the house and do the work and fix it up and get it up to your level of code. Because
imagine how we just moved in and started using this equipment.
Yep.
Can y'all imagine that? I mean, hello. Fix it, Jesus. Look at this.
And who really goes behind the washer and dryer?
Exactly.
Normal people. We're not normal, so that's why I found this stuff.
Even if you're living in a place right now and it's not, super old, just go take a look behind your washer and see what's going on back there. Go take a look at it. And clean out your washer.
And that is a message from your sponsor, Victoria Williams Chestnut and Derek Williams.
I am going to go back to replacing the water lines to the washer that we will replace with a combo unit, not a stackable, you idiots, but a combo unit that is space saving to open up the space of the washer and dryer room. Indeed. Yes. See you later.